Hi, I'm Ross. I'm the head stonemason here at Winchester Cathedral, where we have a small team of masons and one apprentice who works with us. The recent carving of Bishop Curle is a replacement for a label stop on the South Nave aisle of Winchester Cathedral. The original had worn to a condition where we couldn't really tell who it was. So Bishop Curle certainly seemed like a good candidate because of where it was. The first stage in designing the piece is to work from whatever reference material we've got, and then I'll try and build up a clay maquette of the head. I will cast that in plaster so that I've got a permanent reference to look at while I'm carving the piece in stone. Carving the piece probably took in all about 6 weeks. And as I get towards the finished surface, I really have to slow down and concentrate on the finished surface, the finished texture of the carving. Once we've created the piece in the workshop, we will take that up onto the scaffold. And the next part of the process is the installation, or fixing as we call it. We'll set the stone on lime mortar. It was really a great feeling actually getting the piece installed into the cathedral. Feeling of relief, because it's always a tense time hoisting something that's taken so long up onto the scaffold. And a sense of great pride as well, because I know that it will be there for several hundred years to come, and it'll be lovely to be able to point it out to people and say that I did that.